Hello and welcome to my channel Bit by Curiosity. In today's video, we will create a column chart and convert it into a gender-based infographic. So let's begin. This video is part 5th of our recruitment dashboard series. In case you have missed the previous parts, I will add the link somewhere on the top. Now, we need to create a gender-based infographic. Let's have a look at the one which I've already created. So, if the percentage is changed over here, see how it reflects on our chart. We will learn how to create this. Let's go to our recruitment tracker sheet. Let's begin by inserting the icons. You can download them from Google or you can use Excel icons. Let's go to Insert, Icons, People, select male and female icon and click on Insert. Let's increase the size a little bit. I'll make it 2.5 inches. Now, we will copy the similar icon. For one set of icons, we will change the color and remove outline. So for male, I will select a dark blue color. For female, I'll select a pink color. For other two icons, I will just add the border and remove the fill. Now, in this table, next to male and female percentage, we will create an additional column, which is total percentage, and we'll enter 100. Let's create a column chart. Go to Insert, Recommended Chart, and insert a clustered column chart. Now, the orange part shows 100% and blue part is the variable percentage that will change basis our input. So, since our border is not changing, only the fill part inside the border is going to change. We will copy border icon for the orange column and the filled icon to the blue column. Let me click the blue border, press Ctrl C, go to my chart, select on the orange of male chart, remember to double click and press Ctrl V. Similarly for female chart, Ctrl C, double click and Ctrl V. Let's repeat the process for filled icons. Now, two things. One, the gap is very huge between two icons, which can be easily fixed by going to Format Data Point and decreasing the gap width to 0. However, still we are getting two separate icons for male and two separate icons for female. We need to combine them together. Go to Fill and click on Stack and Scale Width. Same for female. And to bring them together, that is, we want these two icons to overlap, select any one of the column, go to Series option and select Series Overlap to 100%. And our chart is ready. Let's do some formatting. Remove the axis, chart title, grid line and legend. Add data label. Delete the 100% data label. Make the background transparent. Let's change the values and see if it is reflecting in our chart. Yes, it is. Now, since this will go to our recruitment dashboard, let's create a pivot table for our male and female joiners. And use equal to capture the value in this table which is connected to our infographic. Now, we will add this infographic in our recruitment dashboard. So that's it for this video. In next video, we will make this dashboard interactive where all the values will change basis position name or position level. If you liked my video, do click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Do share your comments on which Excel formula or problem statements I should cover in my next video. Stay safe, keep learning, and bye-bye for now.